Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once more. This is a practical on neck taping done by my students. As you can see, the very first step is to cut the fabric to be used for the taping in a bias form, or rather in a diagonal form. This will enable the fabric to be stretchy. The reason why it's being cut in a bias form is to enable the taping to sit properly well on the neckline. As you can see, the material is not stretchy. So this is the very first step. Make use of 2 inches in width, just as you can see. Then the next step is to insert your hemming gum in between the fabric to be used. Then you fold as seen with your iron. Make sure the hemming gum is well covered properly, as you can see. This will enable the fabric to sit properly well. Then you apply your iron. As you can see, you have to be careful. Make sure the hemming gum is in between, just as you can see. You iron gently. You have to be careful with it. Then when you are done with that first step, you have to fold it again into 2, but in such a way that one is a little bit longer than the other one. As you can see, you don't fold it to be equal. Make sure one is longer than the other. This will enable the longer side to clip the material while piping on the sewing machine. As you can see, this method I call it the clipping method, because all you have to do is just to insert the material to be piped inside. So you iron as seen. Then this is what you have. As you can see, one is a little bit longer. They are not equal, so take note of that. Then now we head to the sewing. Let's go straight to the sewing machine. So yes, I call it the clipping method. As you can see, it's like a clip. You just insert the material, the main fabric, inside the taping fabric as seen. Yes, make sure it's touching the extreme end of the piping of the material to be used. Then you stitch down as seen. Make sure your hands are straight, your stitches are straight, and your stitches are neat as well. Gently, you don't have to rush it, because the neck taping is one of the very first beauty of every kaftan, so you have to be very careful with it while taping. You don't have to rush it. Gently, as you can see. If you should follow this method properly, you'll be able to achieve your desired results. Alright, yeah, we're almost there. Well, I normally do like to stitch my taping 3 times. Some people just stitch one, some make use of 2, but I like making use of 3. Nothing personal though, it's just it doesn't add anything, but to me it makes it more prettier. So after stitching the board, I stitch at the tip of it as well. Then I stitch at the middle as well. This is the second stitching. This will enable the piping to relax very well as well, and it still gives it this beautiful look at the end. Where it's a personal choice. You can decide to make use of one stitch, you decide to make use of two, or you can decide to make use of three. It's your choice. Okay, this is the second one. When you are done with the second one, I stitch again at the middle. It's in between the first and the second stitching. Okay, this is the third one. So this thing will now relax very well to make it to be very smooth. Gently, you don't have to rush. Don't have to rush. Okay, we are almost through, almost there. Almost there. Okay, now let's go straight to the ironing table. So remember not to iron directly on the main fabric. Always use a ironing cloth, white preferable. So this is what we have at the end of the day. This is our end result. You can see how neatly it is. Thanks for watching. I hope you will apply this